Hello, I'm Emma Hammett from firstaidforpets.net, and today I'm going to talk to you about a common injury and how to help. So what to do if your pet has a thorn or a splinter of some sort stuck in their paw. You may start seeing that they're limping or they're trying to avoid using one of their paws or limbs or weight bear on it, and they just look a bit miserable, and they may present it to you as well. If you can see something obvious in there, then what you should try and do is get a clean pair of tweezers and get someone to look after your pet and to actually be keeping them calm and sorted whilst you're doing that, because obviously if you are going to hurt them in removing the splinter, they could end up snapping it and hurting you. They wouldn't mean to, but it's possible. So just make sure that they are calm and sorted and that you're not putting yourself in danger as well. And then what you would do is get a nice clean pair of tweezers, and you would ideally grasp the thorn firmly and pull out the way that it went in, so in the same direction that it went in. Now if there is a wound, of a substantial wound, obviously not just the entry wound, but if there is a wound in the paw, then you wouldn't ever take any embedded object out of a decent wound. But if it is just a splinter or a thorn, then you take it out the way that it's come. You would squeeze very slightly to get a little bit of blood and to ensure that it's entirely out, and then you would clean it. So you can clean it with some soap and water or a wipe, and then keep an eye on it. So if you're worried at all, then take them to the vet to get them checked out. But hopefully in removing it, it will all heal over and everything will be fine. So I hope that's useful. You just remove it the same way that it's come out. And if the splinter is in any form of a joint or anything round by their paws, or you're worried about its direction, then please always get it removed by a vet. And if it's not something easy that you can grasp and remove, and it's snapped off or something, then again get it removed by the vet. And if it is glass, then always take them to the vet so that their paw is x-rayed to ensure that there's no other little bits of glass that you can't see, because anything embedded in there can get infected. So if it's a simple thorn, you can take it out yourself. I hope that's been useful. That's Emma Hammett from firstaidforpets.net.